Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a requested video. Today we are making Rasta pasta. I make this dish very often and you guys always ask me to show the recipe, so here we go. It's a dish that goes great as a side, pairs well with oxtail, jerk chicken, or it's also great on its own. So let's get started. We've got a nice big pot of water that we're going to salt generously and get our pasta going. So traditionally you would use either penne or linguine noodles. Today I'm using rigatoni because it's what I had, but it's still pasta. While our pasta is boiling, we're going to have a hot pan going with some oil. To that we're going to add our onions. You can add one whole small onion or half of a large onion. We're also going to add garlic. I added about 5 cloves of garlic. Saute that just until it starts to cook down a little bit, and once it cooks down for about 2 or 3 minutes, you're going to go in with your peppers. Red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Red, gold, and green, those are Rasta colors. And we're going to saute those down until they start to soften. Once my peppers are cooked down a bit, I go in with about a cup of heavy cream and about 1 cup of coconut milk. If you wanted to make this vegan, of course you can just skip the heavy cream. And then I added mozzarella cheese, and again, if you want to make this vegan, substitute for vegan cheese. Now we're just going to gently stir that until the sauce starts to thicken. Next, I'm going to season my sauce, and I don't actually measure this part, but if I had to guess, I'd say maybe I'm adding a tablespoon of each. So I start with all-purpose seasoning. I add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, and oregano. And then I add about a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. You can use homemade, store-bought, spicy, mild, whatever your preference is. And then we're gonna mix all that goodness up and allow it to simmer and cook down. All right, my pasta's done, so now I'm going to add my pasta into the sauce and give that a really good stir, and then top it with some more cheese, some fresh thyme, some fresh scallions chopped up, and of course a Scotch bonnet pepper. And then we can just cover that and let it cook down for maybe another 10 minutes. This dish goes great with anything or just on its own, it's great as well, but tonight we're having it with some jerk grilled chicken breast that I did on the grill outside, as well as a side of steamed broccoli. Our pasta is finally all done. Here's the finished product. It smells amazing, and I think it's time to eat.